Today I'm going to show you how to change out the trunk struts on a Ford Focus. To replace these, what you're going to want to do is get a nice little flathead screwdriver and just kind of pull up on these. Make sure everything's supported. You have a little bit of weight to them. And just gently pull them off. You'll do the same thing for the bottom. I'm just coming in here. I'm going to pull down on that. Once you get them off, pull up like that. And what you do for the new ones is you would do the same thing. You pull up on this retaining clip. You want to grease both of these ball joints. You'll place this back on. You just snap that retaining clip back on. Same goes with the top. Again, grease this up before you put them on. I take a little bit of force to get it back on. Once it's popped back on, I'm going to get that retaining clip back on. Once that's in place, you're good. It's not going to come off. And that's how you replace these trunk struts on a Ford Focus.